Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Motorists will get some relief when they go to the gas stations. For a look at this week's petrol prices, Dashan Hendricks is at the smartboard.
Well, consumers will be having some respite this week as heading into the holidays next week. They'll be paying less for gasoline. Petroleum today announced it will be cutting the price of both E10 87 and E10 90 gasoline by some $1.42, taking the price of both grades of gasoline to the lowest they have been in some 2 months. The price of regular diesel, it goes up this week, increasing by some 14 cents, while the low sulfur variety, it declines by 15 cents. Kerosene, it however goes down this week, 19 cents. Propane cooking gas is down $2.12, while butane declines this week by $1.81. It's now back to you.
Thanks, Dashan. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.54. The Canadian dollar costs $96.77. The pound sterling is going for $168, while the euro costs $149.28. Sagicor Financial Group has dismissed concerns published in a Barbados newspaper out of a draft report from the International Monetary Fund, IMF, which warned that it poses systemic risks for Barbados and the rest of the region. The article also came in for heavy criticisms from the Financial Services Commission, FSC, in Barbados. Dashan Hendricks reports.
A leaked report from the International Monetary Fund, IMF, published in a Barbados newspaper on Monday, hinting that a failure or near failure of insurance giant Sagicor could be devastating for the region, facing heavy criticisms from the Barbados regulator and Sagicor itself. The article pointed out that while the IMF report indicated that Sagicor's financial statements and actuarial reports did not reveal any untoward or serious financial or risk-related issues, the company poses systemic risk for the region, given its size and weak group-wide supervision from its regulator, before adding that it is quite possible that emerging risks or potential vulnerabilities exist or have not been detected within the Sagicor group. That regulator, the Barbados Financial Services Commission, FSC, which came in for the harshest reproach, hit back in a hastily called press briefing on Tuesday, labeling the article as wicked and despicable, saying it was replete with errors and was set out to cause injury to people's reputation and damaging to institutions. Sagicor itself, noting concerns with the article, pointed out that it is a well-run company which is actively regulated in each of the 21 countries in which it operates. It said that while there are no provisions for group regulation across the region, it has always shared group-wide information with individual regulators in each country, before slamming the article as being recklessly careless for suggesting that Sagicor is an under-regulated financial institution. It went further to assure its customers, shareholders, and policyholders that it is a solid institution which remains committed to delivering quality products and services. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The JSE index gained 1,758 points, while the junior market gained 3 points. The winners of the day included 138 Student Living, Berger Paints, Carib Cement, Grace Kennedy, Lasco Distributors, NCB Financial Group, Sagicor Group, Seprod, and Supreme Ventures. Now, on the losing end were Siboney Group, Jamaica Producers, JMMB Group, Mayberry Investments, and Pulse Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.